Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today meron tayong model kit here from Kotobukiya, and this is the 1/100 scale Sky Goldran, and this is from the Brave series anime. And to be honest, I didn't watch any single episode or any single series of the Brave series, but I just find that the Mecha characters there has the resemblance of Gundam model kit in a super robot genre, something like that. And so I got an interest in buying one of those, which is this one, the Sky Goldran from Kotobukiya. Sa pagkakaalam ko, meron tong expansion set na magkakaroon siya ng additional parts. Pero ang hirap hanapin eh. So I just stick on buying the regular one, which is this one, the Sky Goldran. So this kit is really nice. It's not that toyish as I expected before. Even though it is almost yellow, the yellow plastic color is really nice. I really like the kind of yellow shade that they used here in the kit. Although it is much beautiful if they used some gold injection for this one instead of this yellow tone, but still it's perfect. But anyway, it depends on the taste of the collector. So let's go with the height of this kit. By the way, the kit it says that it's about 18 centimeters on the box or in the feature of HobbyLink Japan. But if we're going to measure it until the tip of the head, it's about 16 centimeters. So maybe the 18 centimeters is about on the wingspan. Yep, the wing here is pointing to 19 centimeters. So maybe that's how they measure it. But if we're going to measure by head height, it's only 16 centimeters until this horn. To this horn. Yep. So the sword here, as you notice, this is not his sword. I just let him borrow the sword from Mazin Kaiser because Mazin Kaiser has so many swords, so I intended to use this Kaiser sword with him. So I will remove it. Okay, so I remove the sword and let's check the articulation of the kit. So the head of the kit is really nice. I like the eyes on this kit. To be honest, there's no stickers included in this kit. All are color separated, and the eyes there, these blue eyes there, are color painted or pre-painted by Kotobukiya. And the head is really nice. It's sculpted as a dragon head there. You can see there's dragon eye there, and it's a clear red plastic. And the horn is really nice. I really like the style of the head. It's like a dragon warrior, like that. So the head can rotate 360 degrees, like that. And be careful with the spikes because the spikes are really pointy, might prick your finger. Okay, so it's 360 degrees. And the arms are very nice, especially in the shoulder part. It has so many articulation points, so you can raise the shoulder like this, and there it can move like this. There's a hinge there. It can move inward and outward, and this point here can also raise up like that and go down like that. Okay, so So it has so many articulation happening there. And the upper arm, the biceps, are connected on a different section there. It's not connected with this peg there or on the structure there. It's on the armor. It's connected on the shoulder armor. So it can raise up so much like that. There you can see a different hinge there. And it can rotate. The bicep can rotate like that. And the elbows can bend double jointed. So there's a joint there and a joint on the lower elbow, and it can bend up to this far. And what is nice here with this kit is the forearm can bend like this also. So there will be an extra wrist movement like that. And the hands, I changed it to Dalindical hand. So this is already modified. And this is ball joint, by the way. So you can move like that. And the fingers are individually articulated. Okay. So the waist can rotate 360 degrees, but due to this sword here being placed on the side skirt, we can remove it, katana. Okay, so it can rotate 360 degrees so far, but there is extra joint on the torso, so it has a double movement there. This is a ball joint, by the way, on the upper torso, and the waist are just a peg. Okay, so there's very dynamic pose happening on the kit. So the side skirt can raise up to this far. This is ball jointed. Okay, and the front skirt can raise up to that far, but be careful with the connector for the front skirt because it's a bit brittle, so I will not move it. And oops, there's a hair. So there, the butt flap, you cannot raise the butt flap, it's fixed. And the legs can kick up to that far, and the knees can bend double jointed, and it can bend up to this far. And what's interesting with the leg is it can rotate like that. It's very nice. And it can also do splits. Yep, you can see there's a hinge. It can do splits. It's very dynamic. I really like this kit. Look, it's really dynamic. And the feet has so many articulation also. It has a hinge there. It can move from side to side, and the toes can bend like this, but it cannot do plantar extension, only plantar flex like that. Okay, it can also rotate from side to side. There's also this feature here on the knees that we can open this, and this act as the rail cannon, I think, but the barrel is really annoying. I hope they did some mechanisms there or any designs there. So if I were you need to paint this with black color so it can act as a hole for the cannon like that. So there we can see, can fire that cannon, shoot that cannon. And let's go with the backpack of this kit. The backpack actually, it can be removed and changed or replaced with other set of backpack. So there, but I'm not interested with the other backpack. I think I kept it somewhere, someplace. I cannot locate that anymore. But much like, of course, the wings, the wing backpack. So the wing backpack here, it has missiles on the top, and the wings here can rotate like this. But be very extra careful with this peg here because it's a bit annoying. Yep, the peg is really annoying. It's very thin and brittle. And there we got some polycap. Actually, it's not polycap, by the way. It's the connector there. So, yep, can go side to side like that. Yep. And the wings can fold like that also. Can fold like this. Yep. And it can fold like that, unfold like that, very stretched. And the kit has this primary weapon here, the katana, and I really like this katana. It's very simple, but these are all color separated. But I wish they did silver chroming on this part here, so I didn't paint this yet. Maybe I will do some silver coating on this one after this review. So there it has a very nice scabbard, and I can unsheath the sword like that. So what I like with this kit is you can do some dynamic posing. So if we're going to move this part here, let's make him act like drawing the sword. Okay, so we can do like this kind of pose here, and there. Let's make him reach or grab the sword like that. Okay, we can see the dynamic poses here like that. Okay, let him hold his scabbard like this. And do some samurai poses like that. Can do splits. Make him grab the sword. Okay. And attach the wings for the backpack there. And done. Very nice. I really like it. This is your 100 scale Kotobukiya Sky Goldran. For some quick size comparison, let's compare it with the kit here I have from Belfine, and this is your Goshogun. So they're about the same height with the Goshogun. And let's compare it with the 172 scale model kit here from our Battler, and this is your Sirbine. And Sirbine is somehow a bit taller than the Sky Goldran. And let's compare it with this average size master grade model kit here from Bandai with the GP01 here. So the GP01 is a bit taller than the Sky Goldran. So thank you so much for watching this review, and see you next time. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're going to find this Sky Goldran here. You can find it at Shopee, and I can recommend Sam's model kit since he has this kit on his shop. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye, God bless, take care. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio.